Hello, I'm Annie Gérin, Dean of Concordia's Faculty of Fine Arts. I'm excited to welcome individuals like you who are considering studying at Concordia in the future. Joining Concordia is joining a truly unique institution. Concordia's Faculty of Fine Arts is renowned for its rare, diverse range of programs. Our faculty boasts an extensive array of 27 undergraduate programs and 22 graduate programs, making us the country's leader in fine arts education. We prepare students for life in arts-related careers through work terms, internships, applied coursework, independent research projects, or student-run festivals and productions. You'll have the privilege of collaborating with Montreal's vibrant cultural community, gaining invaluable mentorship experiences. We design learning experiences that cater to your ambitions. Here, you'll have room to experiment, opportunities to work across disciplines, collaborate with communities, take up internships, travel to field schools, or take up a semester abroad. All this will prepare you for life after graduation. You will enjoy access to state-of-the-art workshops, including digital fabrication facilities. We also have sound and video workspaces, performance venues, and galleries dedicated to the fine arts community. You'll be connected to your peers in the faculty and across the university. You'll be able to research, make, perform, and showcase your work, and learn the best things that a fine arts education can give you. The ability to speak from the heart, to hone your creativity, to think critically, and to interpret the world through your work. You represent the new generation of artists, thinkers, and cultural workers who are shaping the art world and cultural landscape with every step you take. And the potential to join our talented community is within your grasp. I invite you to explore the endless possibilities that await you at Concordia's Faculty of Fine Arts. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Our team is here to support you every step of the way.